What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. Just a little update of how the shop's been going. We've gotten all the walls painted white. As you can see, there's no blue, no pinks and stuff like that. Everything's white in here. It's crazy. It's like heaven. Love it. Floor epoxied white. We've done 2 coats on the floor. We have to do a 3rd one still. It's a little bit more porous than I imagined or than I thought it was going to be. I should have used some leveling concrete, leveling cement to actually smooth it out a little bit more, but it filled in with epoxy. I've got 1 more coat to do. It'll smooth it right out. Should be good after that. We've knocked out a ton of this in actually about 2 days, thanks to my girlfriend Hollie, Nav coming all the way down from Montreal and helping out, and his girlfriend. We got a lot done. Place turned out great. We put a lot of work in over those couple of days, and as you can see, so far it looks good. I've got some lighting set up, you know, the walls are done, the floor is almost done. I did a couple of other details. I haven't moved too much into the shop just yet because we have the last coat to do for the floor, so you're not going to see a lot in here as it is. I was about to put up some vinyl racks today. I do have a chrome wrap also coming in today. Stay tuned for that. As you notice, the glasses that I have on my face, these are actually very special glasses. These are camera recording glasses. They're amazing. So I'm going to be able to get you guys really close, detailed videos on what I'm doing when I'm wrapping. I'll cut into the cameras so you can see how I'm trimming, how I'm doing the corners, really up close and personal. Should give you a great picture of what's actually happening. Most of those videos will be on my website, ckwraps.com, so I'll put a link in the top corner and in the description below for you. I have a ton of videos coming up. Again, there's disassembly, there's a discussion board for like a forum board where you can ask questions to each other or myself. I answer pretty much every question on there. Otherwise, other people also jump in and chime in. But again, link in the top corner and in the description below. Let's take you for a tour of what the actual shop looks like in here. I haven't completed the office. The office is a bit disarray right now because of me moving stuff from inside the shop into that area there. The office will be the last area since I don't use it very much. This is the main showpiece, but it will get its paint job and clean up as well. Let's take you for a tour. Just gonna move to the back corner here. Could probably use another light here. It's not the brightest. Again, we don't really use this spot. It's not a big deal. I have a water line on this side. I have a water line on that side as well. Again, all the cinder block has been repainted, cleaned, repainted. This entire wall cleaned, repainted. Floor's done, just got some tire marks on it, no big deal. I don't mind that. I can clean that very easily. Over around the corner here, did a little personal touch there. I painted the door frame gold. Bought a gold door handle. Doesn't really quite match, but close as I could get for a door handle. And as far as the paint goes, as close as I could get as well. Even a chrome wrap wouldn't really match, so I just decided to go and paint it gold. Black door, golden black door. We're gonna get some stickers and stuff on that window there. Just got a couple of things set up in the corner here, nothing fancy. There's the office area there. I'm gonna get something on this window as well. Again, office hasn't been done. You can see the floor. Floor is a little bit inconsistent in its color and its finish. Not too bad, not terrible. Really brightens up the room. Again, we did this ourselves, so we epoxied this floor ourselves. Turned out great so far. I have some border to put along the lower section here, all the way down and around to seal up that crack. I'm not sure what that mark came from on the wall, but I'll get it cleaned up, no big deal. This entire wall this is gonna be the centerpiece basically. So I'm gonna be wrapping cars right in front of here. I have a 13.5 foot decal coming in, 5 feet tall, 13.5 feet long. It's quite a big decal of CK Wraps going along the wall there. It's gonna take about a week or so to get that in. This wall was actually not level, so the drywall only went from about that corner there to, let's say, about here. Right here, there's a seam, sort of, you can see it a little bit. So I had to do the rest of the drywall from here over. Turned out good. The top, you can see there's a line there. That's because it's also a different level as well. Eventually, I'll fill that in and make it one solid piece all the way through. No big deal. I love it in here, how the ceilings are not too high. It's really nice, actually. I've got to do something with the door over there. Haven't done anything with the door yet. It's not really looking all that good. At least needs some paint or something, or some cleaning up, or some kind of a frame piece of wood. I don't know, I gotta do something with it. If anyone has any ideas, drop some suggestions below. I've just got my vinyl standing there, some of it, not all of it, standing there right now because I'm gonna be putting the wall vinyl racks over here along the cinder block wall. I'll be able to, I guess, use either side. I still gotta move a bunch more stuff in here. It's not even close. But so far, this is how it's looking. Could get about 3 cars in here, so it's a good little spot for wrapping and training and doing videos. I'm really excited about it. My Jeep's massive, so it takes up quite a bit of space. Could probably get, comfortably 3 cars in here, should be no problem. Stand over to here, the other corner. Inside the shop area here, we're at about 1,350 square feet, and the office is about 450 or so, 400, 450. So the whole place is 800 square feet, or sorry, 1,800 square feet. But we did quite a bit. Again, this is just how far it came in about 2-3 days. Outside is not done yet. My sign will go up this week. So again, I will take you for the grand finale tour once it's all finished up, explaining what lights I've got, because the lights make a huge, huge difference. As soon as I turn them off, I'm not going to show you how drastic that is yet, but it does make a huge difference as far as the visual goes. And especially the floor being shiny makes a massive difference as well. So all the light starts to reflect upwards, and we can start seeing like underneath, because we have so much light coming in. You can start seeing underneath things. It's great. And you're gonna get some lighting for the walls as well, some bars to come in from the sides. That's about it. Guys, I hope you like how the shop is coming along so far. Again, once the decal goes up, once the sign goes up, it's gonna really finish it off. Again, a few more things to do once all the vinyl racks go up, move all my stuff in. You know, I've got my cabinets, sign the fronts, whatever else got to go on. I have a couple of extra lights to put up still. It's not finished yet. And yeah, we'll be rocking and rolling. Actually, I'm gonna be starting to rock and rolling on those videos for you guys starting today. Got tons more coming. Anyways, stay tuned for what's coming up. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it very much. Take care.